Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So it's the beginning of summer, and I want to go ahead and prune my fruit trees. I've been growing fruit trees for about 2 to 3 years now, and my goal is to grow small trees. So to do that, I prune them in the summertime and in the winter. So this is the time to do the summer pruning. So I'll be handling that today. So this here is one of my apple trees. It's the first apple that has bore fruit for me. I had a couple. I left one for the birds. This one here, the birds have been eating it. But I need to bring this down by more than half. So in the winter time, I pruned it back to this spot right here. So it's grown about 2 to 3 feet since then, and I'll be bringing that down. So I'll be doing the same with the rest of my trees. This is a crab apple. I'll bring that down. This is another apple right here. So this here was the winter pruning, and we've had this much growth since that winter pruning back in February. This is another apple that has grown significantly. This will be a very hard prune. I'll bring this all the way down, probably by about 4 feet. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I won't film all the trees that I'll be cutting down, but I'll show a few of them. All right, let's go ahead and get this started. I'm done pruning. So for almost all the trees, I've pruned them into a Y, into an open center shape. So any branches that were growing towards the middle, they've been cut off. Any crisscrossing branches were also pruned off. So this is one of the peaches. This here is one of the plums that I have. The persimmon still grows in a weird shape. I just brought it down, but it's not quite where I want it to be. So I'll see how to fix that when I do the winter pruning next season. The loquat tree, I didn't prune this. As I see, it has new growth. I don't know if the new growth will bear fruit, but usually this is how the fruit starts. But I'll wait and see what happens with it. The other plum is also here. Has been cut down. The other peach cut down as well. This is a pear tree. It's now down to 3 branches into an open center shape. This other pear is still a little bit weird. I'll probably fix that in the winter pruning. Okay. The pomegranate, I just brought that down a little bit. Okay, let me show you how the other fruit trees on this side look. The nectarines, I just did a little bit of trimming down, not too much pruning on them. They're still very young. Same as the mulberry. This Anna apple, I cut off quite a bit. Brought that back to just 3 branches. This here is a golden Dorset apple. Reduced that. My mangoes I just trimmed a little bit, not too much. This crab apple reduced in size. And this apple right here, the Anshama apple, cut that back quite a bit. And here are the prunings. So the prunings, I'll remove the leaves and I'll put those in the compost. Okay. Here's an overview. With the summer heat, they'll start regrowing again in a couple of days, a couple of weeks. They will leaf out pretty fast, especially this one that underwent a severe pruning. The citruses I didn't touch. They have fruit right now, so I'll prune those in the wintertime once the fruit is ripened. And also the fig. I have a fig right here which has fruit, has lots of fruit. So and they're starting to ripen. So I'll wait until all the fruit ripen and then I'll prune that back. All right. I think that's all for today. I'll go ahead and start the cleanup with all these prunings. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.